I'm going to try the car wash again with him. I have no idea how well this is going to work, because last time he had a fit. So we will see. Because I got the super wall, so it takes a little bit longer. He's not too bad right now until it starts spraying the high pressure. We're going to try this again. This is not quite as bad as what he was last time. Because he realizes they can't get to him. See, you're not quite as bad as what you were last time. It's now on the polish. We're just about done. You're not quite as bad, because last time you jumped all over me. But I'm going to stop it right here. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye.